Okay, so now I've got a car alarm. September the 11th. It's just stopped, but I think you'd be able to hear it. That's what these idiots do all day. Sirens, car alarms, honking. All this nonsense all day. There you go. I'm showing you how often this is happening. It's happening all the time. All the time. September the 11th. Of all days. Not a good day. Well, it wasn't in 2001. We know that the US government was behind that. Those that know, know. I don't know what that is. Sounds like a different language. Must be speaking Matlock. You can only speak Matlock when you've got half a brain and your intelligence is about the same as a goldfish. Sorry, goldfish. No, it's less than that. That's an insult to goldfish.